Court does call the case People versus Jonathan Pittman.
All right, so we have to do.
Good afternoon, this is the public defender Laura attorney on behalf of Mr. Pittman. Well, I'm hoping it's on soon, Your Honor. He's been calling me.
That's not true.
I'm here.
He's here.
He's been having
I'm
some
here.
difficulties.
No, I think that's him. It was under.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. Okay, I just need a camera, please.
Okay. Let me see how to do this. Can you see me? Oh, let me take my hat off. I'm in court. Let me take my hat off.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No
All right,
problem.
state your name.
My name is Jonathan Pittman.
All right.
Your Honor, Mr. Pittman is going to be taking a plea today to the reduced charge of allowing an ineligible driver to operate.
Okay.
257.326.
Your Honor, I would add count two. Allowing, to operate, accept that guilty plea and dismiss the original charge.
All right, very good. Mr. Pittman, can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
All right. State your name for the record, please.
Jonathan Pittman.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of allowing an ineligible driver to operate a motor vehicle. That's a misdemeanor,
Yes.
punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $100 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
I plead guilty, sir.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You signed, or you didn't sign one, but because you're not having a trial, you're giving up certain rights. You're giving up your right to call witnesses to speak for you at trial or to have this court compel their attendance. You're giving up your right to see, hear, and question all witnesses against you at trial. You're also giving up your right to be a witness for yourself or to remain silent and not have that silence used against you. And you're giving up your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that?
Absolutely, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plea?
No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
And because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
I know I'm guilty.
Okay, all right. April 17, 2023, at the location of Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, state of Michigan, did you have custody or control of a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did you allow someone who was otherwise ineligible, maybe inclusive of yourself, to operate that motor vehicle?
It was me who was operating the car, sir. It was nobody else.
Okay, and at the time you weren't eligible, were you?
No, I thought I was, but apparently Calhoun County has suspended my license. That's why I just want to plea out. Because I went to Secretary of State and Calhoun County has a hold on my license for child support. I would have had my license clear, but I have to go to them to clear my license. So I just want to get this over with so I can move on, sir.
Okay. That was a lot. So just so we're clear, on that date, you were not eligible.
Yes, sir. I was not eligible, sir.
Okay, that's all I need to know. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes.
All right, court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2, count 1 is dismissed. Now, I'm almost afraid to ask with this guy, but sir, is there anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
Why would you say that to me, Sir Simpson? You shouldn't be scared to ask me questions, sir.
No, I just asked a yes or no question, and you went on for like, what was it, an hour or two? No, I'm kidding. Sir, is there anything you want to tell me before I impose sentence?
No, sir, other than come check out the best place on the planet, taste these burgers. No, there's nothing else I want to say, sir.
Wow. Taste these burgers. I don't know. All right.
I got you lost for words, Judge Simpson.
Yes, you do. Because somebody just did an advertisement. I don't know what that's about. Anyway. All right. Fines and costs of $250, 90 days in jail. That is suspended. When can you get that paid?
All I need is 3 weeks. Just 3 weeks.
All right. Well, do this. Get it paid by April 30th. Get it paid before then.
I'm gonna have it paid before that, sir.
I know you will, but I'm giving you the time in case something happens. Never know. And young man, I'm just going to tell you, I do appreciate the fact, and it should not go unmentioned, that when you got on the screen, you knew that you were in court and that you showed the respect of taking off your hat. And so that means the world to this judge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. You take care of yourself.
Thank you. You too, Judge Simpson.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.